Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another great recipe which is YY soup momo. Before I start the recipe, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to get all yummy recipes. So let's start the recipe. To prepare a YY soup momo, so here are my ingredients. I have taken 3 slices of green chilies, 2 cloves of chopped garlic. I have taken some finely chopped carrot, 1 small size tomato and onion. For the masala, I have cumin powder, salt as per the taste, garam masala powder, red chili powder and Sichuan pepper or Timur, which I have crushed. And I have some steamed momo and then 1 YY and 2 cups of water. In a pan, add the oil, add garlic, onion, and green chilies. Now I'm gonna add this carrot and then tomato and mix it everything. Add all this masala and mix it everything. Cover this and cook all this masala for 1 minute. Now the masala has cooked, so I'm gonna add this YY. Then add this water. And I'm gonna add this YY masala too. Now bring it to boil. It started boiling, so I'm gonna add this momo. Then cook everything together for 2 minutes. This has cooked nicely. I'm gonna add some spring onion and cilantro on top of it, and then add some lemon juice. So now our YY soup momo is ready to be served and it looks yummy. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me your feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.